So let's get started. So we're going to start with create movie. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a 12 frame stop motion animation. Take a look up here. This is frame 0 out of 12, and for every 12 frames it's going to be 1 second long in our film. So I have my grid on, and I also have my ghost image on, and I'm going to try to get my penguin to move its arm. Okay, so I'm going to take the first frame. Alright, you see the ghost image? I'm going to try to move my penguin's arm just a little bit and try to line it up with the ghost frame. Now, if I had a tripod or a camera stand, this would be a lot easier. That's why it's important to use tripods and camera stands. Okay. Take my next frame. Alright. As you can see, I just took 3 frames. Move my penguin's arm just a little bit more. Okay, we're almost there. Alright, we're 7 frames in. Okay. Penguin's arm goes all the way down here. I'm going to move this next arm. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully made 12 frames out of 12 frames. I'm going to go ahead and click this button, and it's going to load my 12 photos into here. So let's go ahead and click play to see how it looks. Nice. Alright, let's play it again. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so let's go back to our home page. If you click gallery, you can see all of the videos that you took. This one right here is the latest one that we took, and as you can see, it is 1 second long. So let's open that. It tells you the information. It's 1 second long. We had a total of 12 frames out of 12. We can even rename this. So we can click that. Let's rename it. Penguin. Alright. And if you want to edit the video, you can click this button right here. And it takes us back to this. Alright.